what you people call a great man or your definition of a great man. But in my own definition, Obi Cubana is not a great man. E-Money is not a great man. Joey Zazi is not a great man. Allen Onyema is not and can never be a great man. Adeze is not a great man. And many of them, all your billionaires, they are not great men. They are not close to greatness. They don't have any business with greatness. I place value on Chinwe Telagu more than those people that you value so much. I place value on Ugeze, J. Ugeze, more than all these people that you love so much. Do you think that greatness is all about going to your village and sharing 2 million naira to the villagers? Do you think that is greatness? Do you think that greatness is by going to your village to share money to the people? That is not greatness. A great man doesn't keep silent when his people are being butchered and killed. Those people that you've been giving 2 million naira, do you know if they are still alive? You can't be a great man when your community is under siege. There is nothing like greatness in your DNA. When your community is under siege, Fulani invaded your community. The women in your village cannot go to farm again. And as a billionaire, a rich man, you don't even say anything about it. The people you gave 1 million, do you think they are still alive? Their foot soldiers are killing them in the east. And you don't say anything because you want to have relationship with Indiawasa. You think because you want to have relationship with Fulani, then you don't talk about your people. And Fulani will accommodate you. They will still put, this is just number 1 episode. More episodes are coming. Where is Ibeto Cement? Where is Ibeto? Ibeto Cement is supposed to be competing with Dangote Cement. But where is he today? Allen Onyema have cried. He can't cry again. He's now shouting one Nigeria. You people have not seen anything. Allen Onyema is deceiving himself. He knows that he is deceiving himself. When they call you third-class citizens, these people kept you as third class. And you collected, you took this position wholeheartedly without questioning this position they gave you. As Onyibo, they gave you third-class citizen. And you did not antagonize that position they gave you.
Committee that was they decided to sign a kind of fiat and release all those people and even find a means of funding them. This is the kind of place, jungle, we have found ourselves. And this is the reason why we must do everything at our reach to make sure that we leave this most corrupt and visionless society called Nigeria. Most of us must understand that the justice system of Nigeria is in a shambles. Just few months ago, those who are working with the justice system, the Minister of Justice under Attorney General of the Federation, the so-called Benami, they declared bankrupt because many of the workers are not being paid. The man have exhausted. This is November of 2021, but the news, the credible information coming from the ministry said that the 2021 budget have almost been exhausted, and workers are the Ministry of Justice are now unable to pay workers' salaries. This is the kind of situation we have found ourselves. What he did was to promote a kind of in the House a motion to bring EFCC under his control so that nobody can probe him. Most of the things you said here is just the periphery of what is the decay that is going on in the justice system of Nigeria. They don't want credibility. The Fulanis, through this Malami, have been able to put their people in those sensitive positions so that when they commit these atrocities, nobody queries them, nobody asks them, nobody investigates them, nobody talks about it. All they do is they go around chasing shadows in the name of doing justice. Look at what happened to our brother Cubana. Look at what happened to Ibeto. Look at what happened to Innocent. I know, had it been that our brother Innocent was not, his company is not in Biafra land, by now they would have seized everything. This is the height of the whole thing. And sometimes when we tell our people, look at the dangers ahead, look at the issue is not being one Nigeria. The issue is, at the end of the day, will it survive being part of Nigeria? That is the issue. Because he saw that Kubana buried his mother, and he saw maybe the kind of display they made there, because these people, it's not as if...
Dai più sprint alla tua vita su internet.
Why is one Nigeria? Why is Nigeria? Why are the Northerners only benefiting this one Nigerian bullshit that you guys are preaching every day? Why are you people begging us in Dibu? Why are you begging? Why are you begging them for your business to strive? How many of them have EFCC invited before? All those criminals they have in the North, how many of them have EFCC invited? And you think that you want to synergize with the North? You want to synergize with Fulani people? When you don't want to talk about your own people.
When we have enemies in the home, when we have enemies, surrounded us, there is a way to handle such battle, and a winning is guaranteed. How? In the battlefield, you must understand the tactical aspect of your enemy, your opponent. We used to use a word, we say that the best defense is attack. But we are not following the best defense is attack, but we are following the same thing in a different dimension. That to say that your enemy must understand and study the opponent very well. The zoo is playing the game through the media. They try to, play in your brain. They try to govern your brain. They know how you reason, how you think, and they use media to destroy you, to make sure that they dislodge your thinking or your thought line out of the focus of what they are doing. So please don't fall into that trap. Always focus. Always one of the key to key in and to stay put in this struggle is always be informed, because when you are not informed, they are disinformed, and when you are disinformed, they are ignorant, and when you are ignorant, it's deadly for humanity. Ignorance is one of the worst things that can happen to you, because when you are ignorant on something, you can act, you can even destroy, because you don't understand. So please, if you don't know, ask questions. There is a command and control in this struggle from your local leader. Ask him or her, call him, inquire anything you want to know. Forget about this in Zoom media. They have no interest about Biafra. They have no interest about Biafran people. They have no interest on what we are doing. All they do, every media in Zoom are working hard. They all collected, they're all part of that $30 billion that are spreading over the world. They are part of it. They collect this money. What is their job? To make sure they destroy IPOB, to make sure they break into IPOB, to make sure that your mindset is being changed and fine-tuned or retuned in order to take your mind out of what they're doing. But please, do not allow such, do not enter into such trap, because it's enemy strategy. We know that already. And I'm assuring you that Biafrans is winning. I'm assuring you that US is winning. I'm assuring you that our leader is winning. And Biafra will soon emerge when the whole world will stand still. That glorious day, I could imagine how it will be. I could imagine how it will look like. I could imagine how joy will be. So please stay put. No matter, remember our leader used to say when he was there teaching us or broadcasting Radio Biafra, they will kill you and they too will die. A lot of things will happen, but at the end, Biafra will come. So when you are taking a race, the goal is set before you, and that goal is your motivator. That goal is your motivator. That goal is everything you are working. At the end of the journey, you will see you get tired. You continue struggling. Put all your might, put all your power, and in order to get to the end and acquire that goal and achieve it. We are very close to the goal. In fact, our hand is almost touching the goal right now. Do not allow anything to distract you from what you are doing. Be informed. Always listen to Radio Biafra. Always listen to GOS. Always listen to your zonal leaders, zonal connectors. That is the key. And once you do this, you will never be dislodged by the enemy's tactics, because they are everywhere. They have by some people within Biafra land. They have paid some people Some people you will still think that they are friends. Your friends, some of them have been paid. So just to tell you, oh, this is USO, I don't know what they're doing, no. It's USO, they are talking about this show. No, don't abide or don't buy such rubbish. They are trying, they are being paid. So dear friends, we love you, and our leader will be happy and proud of you. And we believe, we strongly believe that that day, when he'll be coming out soonest, the world will shake. And at the end, we will have our dear friend. Thank you so much, Maazima Chineke. God bless you. Here I'm submitting. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, gentlemen, for coming up to Radio Biafra on this day, for giving all your own support and suggestion and comment. And I believe that next time when we request for it, you will avail your time. Thank you very much. Thank you and stay blessed. This is Radio Biafra Hausa Service 2 coming to you from the platform of Radio Biafra London under the leadership of one and only Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Muhammadike, one of Biafra land. Right now, our lines are open. Those that are following our program all the way, you can call in with the studio line +183 263 73499 +183 263 73499 +183 263 73499 or +614 818 70925 +614 818 70925 +614 818 70925. Any of this line you call, you will have access to us. We can hear you, you can hear us, and you can make your contribution or your submission. And I have a call on the line. Must be Dr. Mbadiwe. Doctor, can you hear me? Dr. Mbadiwe, can you hear me? I don't think. Let's take this call. Caller, can you hear me?
Yes, Maazima Chineke.
Welcome.
Maazima Chineke Tutoma. My name is Maazima Alomoka, calling from Zoo Country, Natawa. Maazima, Ncholka ji opportunity awaken again. The Chuko Kikabia Mabagume. I listened for a program yesterday in the morning. Maazima, make a no one many idea. But this idea this morning. This is this morning. Chuko Bonyo no. Kama Maazima Chineke, I want to come no Biko. We put some people against our people, our DS of this. No, you know why you watch our leader no. You to not say, boys not yoda. So all that going for so that them the people because of this is our product before that election. I think on Friday every 18th Taban I announced that year. The following day, for the moment with the win. Come on, because of Guinea. You watch your leader now. Yes, all down you watch here without a bullet and because our leader was Nigeria, Nigeria, head. Okay, today. So because everybody. Because the so everybody. So everybody. No way actually you do not attack some people now. Maybe na media. Like someone attack some Epa. Yes, only cool big here. I wanted to say, oh, go on this. Open up one that we move to that here actually. Then it stay step down. ọ bụrụ onye nke ga-eme ka enweta ya na-achọ anyị ga-etinye na step down onwe ihe anyị na-azọrọ ihe anyị na-azọrọ ọganihu anyị niile maazị m na-agwa onye ọbụla na-eme ka anyị nwere onwe anyị onye ọbụla jisi ike akparịa gị jọs gbaghara onye anwa ihe anyị na-achọ gị ka anyị nweta anyị nweta anyị na-achọ enwere m ọtụtụ okwu dis morning kama m chọrọ ndị sadem chọpụrụ na ị ga-emepe datị awa Chidozie Sadem bụ mepere ya this month ka m kpọọ gị biko na everybody na-arụ na redio ebe ọbụla ị na-arụ nke gị biko onye ọbụla ihe anyị na-achọ buto ka anyị chọrọ asị anyị kwụsị ya ka onye ọbụla kwụsị ya ụmụ reason anyị onye ọbụla onye dapezi kwụsị ya bikos na ọzọ ụta na Naijiria maazị ka nghọdụ eziokwu yesterday ebe m nọ na Bristol Zoo ịma na abalị yesterday na onwere dịka fuel ebe anyị nọ na obe ndị a na-ekere m na onwe ihe anyị hụ anyị chọta obodo ka m fụzọta ha na-eji owere ha ebute fuel na izu ebe ha na-ekere m na ha nwere ihe ha chere na ọzọ ala Igbo ya ihe na-enye nsogbu everywhere nwere ebe enye nsogbu ọ bụ na ifere ekwere ndị anyị imepe ọnụ wee si na ha chọrọ ọkacha dịsa flev ndị anyị nwere na Igbo gọvanọ ọhaneze nama nke a gaa na biko onye ọbụla gbaghara ebe biko onye na-ekwu ofe onye mmadụ kwuru na midia onye ọbụla ụrapụ datin because oge na-ekwu data okwu ahụ dịka ị na-adị tresed ihe onye a na-ekwu ifu nke chọrọ ikwu okwu na ikwu okwu ọ bụ ihe niile e kwuru isadụga asata ya datin ọ bụla adịga a na-aka asịrị biko anyị ka m na-ayọ everybody mgbe Chukwuoke na-agba onye ọbụla ome si na ha Chukwuoke na pray ọkachasị ma anyị ebe ọbụla ọ nọ ekpere anyị from now to that on 10th na ga-erediz awa dida biko dị nwere mata okwu biko ma gbada God bless you.
Ndewo ka anyị were Maazị Chinemerem, can you hear me? Chinemerem, can you hear me? Maazị Chinemerem, can you hear me?
God bless you. Yeah.
Udo.
I am Maazị Chinemerem, and Maazị Elohim bless you. Bless those working assiduously to restore the kingdom of God on earth. Maazị, what happened has happened. Yes. Yeah. Our viewers, I know that some of them are listening. And they both know osisi ọbụla kpuchiri ezi na-ebu apa mma. And our director said 100 men to restore Biafra. And that 100 men must tested and okay. Anything I na-ekwu ha mara no for their upliftment and tested and to be okay. So na ewutere ha and I want to work iwe because more and more me wekwara m. Man, I begin to understand. Mas, according to our brothers in my interviews now, concerning that are prisoners, so now to election. Mas, those people are I6, Al-Qaedas. And now, the election of Hana, how to go since? Do you know that today, how can I to election? And the Monday, how can I to vote? So, from most but you know, sometimes even our side and we all the bo ndị bo na-eji mkpọrọhịhị ekwu okwu ndị bo na-eji ịkụ aka ndị bo na-eji nkwachi olu ekwu okwu mana today ọ dịrịzi otu ahụ a sị na ha tọrọ mara tọrọ ofeke ofe isi n'ọfịa. I'm sorry to say this, all Maazị Nnamdi Kanu are returned live from ofeke. All of us now before, but Maazị Nnamdi Kanu come and rescue us. Man, we are not interested of Anambra election. We are not interested of politics of Nigeria. What we are interested is freedom. That's all. Our own Nkani, the we're not there before. Why Mbuke? Okay, no party. Nana Nkabu Nkani, Kaina, Oburu Kende Nigeria, pretended. So, and then we were on there. And some of our brothers now got to Facebook, social media. I've gone from Facebook for a long time because I saw that Facebook is a gossip place. All these people now worry on our Facebook. If a little breeze blow in Facebook, they will not stand it. People, all these people now because it's a free world. It can be there doing video, posting, doing all this talking rubbish. If a little breeze blow in that Facebook, they will not stand. You will see all of them run. Here the name made that because when you subscribe to Rubbish Haneme, you give them money. That is what they are doing. They are doing. I am not in Facebook. The only platform I know I am interested is Radio Biafra. That I am in contributed. Yes, this is platform and I know that in Radio Biafra have a structure. We have a spokesman by Mapafo. We have the Directorate of State. We have state coordinators. We have local government coordinators. We have all senatorials. So why am I going to Facebook and listening to junk? So I'm not interested on that Facebook. But I want to tell DOS.
Exactly.
Upliftment and the tested to be among the 100 men who they are waiting for time to strike. You know, our director is a prophet. He said they will come here and all of them will die. Now, those people, I am but we are not afraid of them. We are waiting. God bless you, Mazi.
Thank you very much, Mazi Chinemerem. Thank you very much. Those people, we know when they brought them, but we have not seen when they are taking them back. Let's take this caller. Caller, can you hear me?
Hello, sir.
Mazi, check email.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, check email.
Good morning, dear friends. Good morning, everywhere you are. Good evening and good night. Okay. I just want to thank Elohim for another day today. So I hope I'm coming out a little bit there.
Yeah, loud and clear.
Okay, so let me start by appreciating those that the last group of persons, honorables that you interviewed, the lawyers. Sorry, there is something that made me to refer them back. The last person said that one of the reasons of this misbehavior among us, not all the IPO.
Brother, we can't hear you. Brother, we can't hear you. Let's take this. Mazi Ifanye, can you hear me? Ifanye, can you hear me? Mazi Ifanye, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Go on. Udo? Ọkwa Ifeanyị ka mụ na ya na-ekwu. Na-ekwu gaa n'iru.
Okay, good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma, good morning.
Maazị Kwuezi na anụgonu m ụtụtụ ọma, ehihie ọma, abalị ọma. Continue.
Okay, ndewo Maazị Ifeanyị na-ekwu. Ana m ekwu from obodo Zuru, Nigeria. Anọ m ife na-ekwu since morning. Eziokwu ka ị na-ekwu. Mana anyị nwa bụ nọ na ndịda anyị fụkwa ihe niile si wee mee. Most of us anyị obi adịchara ndị mmadụ mma. So mana from ihe na-ekwu na otu a ka anyị some of us bido nweta brain behind that. So ihe mma bụ na ihe gbasara struggle, ihe nwere onwe ya dị ezi. Ọ na-abụ agagidekwe enwe ọgbata ohe n'ime onwe anyị something like that. Ma dị ya na-emekwa ukwu na-esi anyị ike, obi na-esikwa anyị ike. So ihe na-ekwu abụrụ ihe ọzọ bụ na nke mere emego. So ihe anyị ma weda ma election ma atụrụ ọdụ na onwe ihe gbasara na election na onye anyị ma onye ndu anyị nwee ike pụtara anyị wee dịkwa fit ka na-elide anyị ebe anyị na-aga. So ihe mma ihe na-ekwu bụ biko nwoke si nwaanyị si all these gossipers ka hapụ odo okwu ka anyị fokusi ọ na-achụ ihe anyị na-achụ. So and ịbịakwana ya ndị Boko Haram and bandits ya ndị a na-egbugharị mbụ all these terrorists nọ n'obodo Nigeria, ha na-ese okwu anyị nwa adịghị ama onwe ndị na-amanụ
a na-alụkwa ọgụ nwa ya na ma ha ga-edozikwa pụtakwa ka na-achụ ya na-achụ. So and o nwere ihe ikuku ekwuo maka asụsụ Igbo amaka oke oyibo anyị na-asụkwa sometimes ọ na-emekwe ndị mbụ Fulani nwa nwere ebe ha nwere ọdịsi ha na-egekwa oyibo too much mana ọ na-asụ Igbo na ọ na-asụ asụsụ anyị o nwere ihe anyị ga na-ekwu na-atụ elu ama na-ama ihe na-eme. So a na-abụkwa asụkwa na oyibo adọrọ mma o mana asụkwa oyibo sụsụsụ Igbo ọ na-enyekwa aka n'ebe anyị nọ. So and ihe gbasara sichatoma a kansụl ya mana ebe nọ na Enugu steeti ebe ọbụla kpọkwa nkụ since nwanne ụnyaahụ. So onwe ya pụtakwara ilo aka ndị na-emechi bankị na-emechi onwe ife na-aga aga. So na nsogbu lụrụ ya mma na-asụ ka anyị na-eje n'obi ka ọlụ n'aka. Ndewo nwa Chineke.
Ndewo Maazị Ifeanyị. Ndewo jisi n'ike ebe onye ọkwụ ya kwụsị ike onye amana jijiji onye asọla ngọngọ ọ naghị adịcha ụta ahụ esi wee chee ya ọkwa eme nke a mana uche onye ọbụla ya adịrịrị ebe ahụ uche dị a na-aga before you know it anyị eru ebe anyị na-eje. Thank you very much Maazị Ifeanyị jisi ike. Let's take this call. Maazị Chukwudi Okike. Maazị, can you hear me?
Yeah, Maazị Ndewo. Good afternoon to you. How are you doing?
Udo?
Okay.
Maazị Narazi ekwu okwu.
Maazị, I'm coming. Yes, ana m anụ ihe na-ekwu adịghị.
Kwuwezi na ọgwụ nwa ji Mike ndị mmadụ na-ege ntị ịgba nkịtị ọ dịzie ka ya pụrụ out of air. People nwere ike think ọ na ife anaghị emezi.
No, I'm talking but it's not coming out.
Tinye ọnụ gị na Mike na-ekwusi ike ifuru ka voice nsi ada ife abụ ịntanetị.
Okay, the better now.
Continue your time. Egwu atụ na gị na-ekwusi okwu ike.
Okay. First of all, as me can Maazị Oscar. Okay. Maazị Oscar, you're doing very well in Asia. You're doing very, very well. How which other coordinators can do what you're doing? Other national reps. Maazị Oscar, I thank you and your team. Guru Suba, this man or talk, you know, because of that particular man who millions of Biafrans in jail, and some of them when they not get what kind of a country is that? America has issued a statement some time ago because of Malami that is not doing a good job because people are not going to court, not allowing people to go to court or even allowing their lawyers to visit them. That man has destroyed Nigeria. But one thing that I know, that whatever Malami and his cohort are doing is to the benefit of Biafran, even though it's very, very painful. Thank you so much, Mazosko Keke. And then our also brothers that came on the air, I want to appreciate all of you. And also want to contribute on what you said about the kings and the chiefs and the priests. The ball is in your court. I have to Hakata Iota in any way again. We have not, you are not part of what we are doing. But since you want to be part of what we are doing now, you are welcome. Good morning to you, the priests and the kings and the chiefs. Now, I saw anybody tell you again what happens to you if you don't go and do the needful. On the 10th, we want to see all of you in Abuja. The whole world has declared that the kidnap of our leader is illegal. So go and ask them to release your son. Go and ask them to release your brother. Go and ask them to release Onyenduaye, because if you fail this time around, your children must hold you responsible. IPOP will hold you responsible. Biafrans will hold you responsible. Now, the last thing I'm about to say that I didn't want to say anything about, even in being a principal officer for the 2 days that it has been going on, is about the cancellation of the sit at home. people should understand that we have never called of election, people to vote or not to vote. We are only boycotting it by sitting at home. We have nothing to do with what they are doing. If you look at now, they have wasted their time to go and take prisoners. They have wasted their time to go and take people from all walks of life to come and do their election. And if there is a problem in Anambra, when people that are aspiring to be a governor, they will say it's because of IPO. For now that we allow people to go out, if they want to vote, they vote. You find out that there is nothing happening in that area, so you can't hold us responsible. And you must understand, Biafrans all over the world, we are in a struggle for freedom. When people are attacking GOS, we all felt a little bit, I didn't felt a little bit bad, too much bad. I felt a little bit, okay, the game has changed, negotiation is on the table, it's part of the, that's what I said that day. And again, I said that our leader gives this a command. And people are saying our leader is in prison, he cannot know our leader. Where he is here is in a dungeon, but our leader is a political prison. He is there for negotiation. He is there to come out with a flag. If you call and say, uplift it, there is something that they see. And I want on let me tell our people, DOS, people are talking a lot about Mazi Chike and the rest. DOS, you must understand what it is. The whole Biafra land 11 states are represented in DOS. It's not one person. So there's no need for you to say, there are, some people cannot even take care of their family than to come out and be forwarding at the whole people that have been in government for over 10 years with our leader. You can say your mind, you are not satisfied because we need Onyen to out. If you're talking about people that have died, I have lost my elder brother in this struggle. But I am not going to say because I've lost my elder brother, why is the cancer? Only that time again cancer. No, there is a negotiation going on. He might not even say a lot of things about why he cancelled, why he asked the election to be suspended. You might not even know what it is. He just said, I had a Nandi priest Naka. He used that system personally to make sure that these people, if you fail us now, you have failed us forever, and we are not going to listen to all of you again. Are you going to talk about the letter from America that Nigeria is looking for us to be a terrorist? There's a lot going on. Please, my people, calm down. We are there. We are there. You're doing a good job. Carry on. It's still your brother, Mazi Chukode from South Africa. Ndewo, my brother.
Ndewo, Mazi. Ndewo, Jishika. Thank you very much and keep on the good work. If all of us are understanding in this way to make the job to be more easier for us, that is what we are trying to let us know. It will be more easier so that when such a drastic decision is being taken, the leadership will not be so worried or feel how is the people going to think or whatever, whereby they are doing it for our own good. So I'm happy for what Mazi Okike just said now. That is how it should be. If you understand, I understand Mazi Fanyo was also speaking in the same direction. Then the problem won't be much for us. Because most of the time what we are afraid of is the internal reaction from our people when some certain decisions are about to be taken, which will be on our own benefit, not for the benefit of any other person. Thank you very much for that, Mazi. And let's take this call. Caller, can you hear me?
Mazi Mwachineke, good morning to you, Mazi. I agree, I can hear you.
Udo, that should be Ugo.
Yes, Mazi. I know you are surprised to see me with this particular line. I think I will discuss that with you later.
All right.
All right. So, greetings to you, my beloved brothers and sisters, Biafrans all over the world. The blessing of our Heavenly Father, Chukwu Abiyama, that reside in the highest heaven, will continue to be our strength and keep us moving forward. Mazi, thank you for the work that you are doing, the way you are making our brothers and sisters to know the right thing to do, more especially our people that you are bringing to morning on Sundays for them to encourage us and at the same time make a very good justice to this particular matter. Like the first people in the morning that discuss about a particular one jihadist man, forgetting the name of that man.
Abubakar Malami is a thief. Abubakar, Attorney General of the Federation of the Ministry of Injustice of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Abubakar Malami.
Yes, that's it. There is something that our brother said that I love much. For people, when you hear their name, you will think that they are old people, but not knowing that they are youth. They are young in age, but they continue to commit atrocity, commit evil in our land. And some of our people are keeping quiet, but when they are old, they're supposed to protect. You will see them saying, that small boy. Our people, I think it is time for us to recognize this fact. We need to call a spade, because if we continue to be silent on the face of evil, definitely evil will visit every one of us. That is the reason why so many of us will have woken up and said, we can never be silent any longer. But the person that set the pace for us to follow, he is our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is the simple truth. So anything that anybody is doing today to talk about this honest man of our own time, the most honest person of our own time, Chukwu Okeke Abiama, send a message. If you are saying anything against him, that is your own. But one thing I'm telling you is that this man is on the mission of the salvation of his people, that Chukwu Okeke Abiama send him, and he's doing it perfectly. So whatever, any other thing that you are saying, that is your own. I want to make it clear that the Directorate of State of IPOB, they are doing what our leader wants. They are doing, nobody is betraying anybody. For those of you that is saying, stop saying that. But I'm using this opportunity to encourage our people, to tell our people to listen to Radio Biafra, because there is fake news everywhere. There is false information spreading on that your social media you are going every time. I don't condemn people that is in social media, but I condemn whenever you hear something and you conclude on that. Our leader make it clear, 2014, that if you want to know the truth, why can't you listen to this hallowed platform? Why can't you consult this honest platform that was established for you to know the truth? And that is Radio Biafra. Even the Zoom media, they are saying all manner of noise. They support evil, just as our brother said. They conclude to protect evil because of one thing or the other. Maz, let me say this. I think I have mentioned this before. There is one of our brother. He's a broadcaster in a zoo station, zoo radio station. They go after him with DSS and he run away. Rather, we did our best to secure him as of that time, just because he said the truth. And he said he can never be silent, he can be quiet at the face of injustice. So for coming on air to say it, they say, why must you say this? They go after him, the management of the company, the radio station, go after him immediately. They call up and down from Abuja to Iguacha, where the headquarters is. From Iguacha to Enugu here, they ordered for his arrest. And Chukwu Okeke Abiama protect him. This our brother, somehow maybe listen to my voice, is a strong member. Let me say this, he sacrificed that position just because of the truth. I want to tell all of you that DOS, Nnamdi Kanu, so many of us, we have made a lot of sacrifice. If you don't know, if you don't know, but we are not here today, what we are looking for is ours. And that is the reason why we are saying that nobody can take this land. If you like, this is our own, you can never get it. You can't get it, you can't get it. You must go and cherish your own. Everybody gets his own. Everybody have his own land. The Almighty God knows the reason why he allowed different races in a planet Earth. So you have no right to kill others to take his land. You can never succeed. For those of you that is taking the natural resources in our land and you are killing us and you think you have arrived, you think it is your portion, you have the power to take another man's land, you will never succeed. What the indigenous people of Biafra is demanding is the freedom of our land. We are not demanding from another person's land, and that is the reason why we can never give up. Mazi, please, thank you so much. After the broadcast, please, Mazi, I want us to talk. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mazi Ugu. Thank you. Thank you. I will get back to you immediately after this broadcast. Thank you. Thank you. This is Radio Biafra as a Service 2 coming to you from the platform of Radio Biafra London under the leadership of one and only Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Those calling from Biafra land, I want to pick your call, but network I don't know the kind of network. I prefer to pick your call. Must be unstoppable. Mazi Kekimel. It's been long.
It's been long. What you
Kekimel. No. Network. Call from the zoo. Network, oh no. I will drop other people's call to pick your call. But when I pick your call, quite the same thing. Unstoppable, your line is not connecting, it's reconnecting, and it must be data from your side. It must be data from your side. It must be data from your side. But if you reload again, you can call back. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you loud and clear.
Okay, continue. Continue.
Mazi, I say me there are two songs I love to sing. We used to sing in our Shabbat. That song says, Mbifufegefe, Usisi. What it says, Umema Cheremaya, Onya Menjo, Benjo Gabia, Abapaloso. Mazi, I like what my brother says. Also, no, Siawula Puchirozo, Nebua Pamma. Mazi, there is something I wanted to suggest to the thing I wanted to suggest is Mazi laid a strong foundation for us. And what is that foundation? I quote to Anyemotu. Kohariu I quote to Anyeme Hoso. This thing are making our brothers to look at us as if we are not serious on what we are doing. That's why everybody want to hear the truth or want to follow the first order. In the first place, in the first sit at home the issue, the one we said, if they not release our director or if our director did not come to court, we will be sitting at home every Monday. DOS later come up and cancel it. Which this we are in the Biafra land taking the heat. We resist that we must sit at home. We are the one taking the pains. Immediately they cancel it. The thing began to cause problem to with us and some of our brothers, because many will come out, the other ones will come and they interrupting them in their business. They are telling them that they sit at home as they cancel, and the other ones will be saying that so long as that order have been issued the first time, we will follow the first one, that we are not going back. That is the reason why they said that DOS has collected money. Now secondly, this one now, they issued that order of 7 days sit at home. We accepted it. Now coming at the middle and say that if they have cancelled it, it's another thing making of some of our brothers to lose what they used to earn money. I was bitterly annoyed. I don't know, you know that this Zoo security, they are using this opportunity to maltreat our people. Immediately they said sit at home. When that order is carried out, and the DOS now cancel it, our people will come out the intention of that the sit at home is no longer effective. Now these people will use that opportunity to begin to persecute them and to destroy our things, telling us that we have a sit at home. They will label it on IPOB or instant security that we are killing our brother. So we need to look into this area, because immediately the DOS cancelled the sit at home, and the people that don't want to sit at home, they will come out, and the Zoo military will use that opportunity to kill them or to burn their motorcycle or their machine or their motors. Now they will not label it on ESM, and the thing is hitting us hard. So I would like them to correct it that area. Anytime they want to issue that sit at home order or want us to embark on a journey, they will give us a concrete information, not reaching at the middle, they will cut it off. It makes so many people to back down. So that is it, my brother.
Before you go, I want to ask you some question. Unstoppable. I want to ask you some question. Who is the head of the IPOB? Who is the head? The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra.
That is the only man I hear his voice.
Good and fine. Kende Chika Edoziem na nochitanya ya. Inani henneku ka onye Chika Edoziem na nochitanya ya. The directorate.
Ọ na-anọchite onye ndu, abịa onye ndu, ọ na-anọchite anya onye ndu.
Mgbe o ziri ozi ahụ n'ikuku, igara ozi ahụ o ziri. Mgbe o ziri ozi, mgbe ọ gbasara ozi n'ikuku, igere ntị n'ihe o kwuru. Ka ihe o kwuru, ka onye o si kwu ya.
Ọ bụrụ na ndị zoo erelease gị, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, on the deadline is that on 4th of
nke ikpete maazụ a nke azụ ndị nọ n'ụlọ anọzina n'ụlọzi onye ọbụla pụtasị ya.
No, I was not around. I was not close to my.
Unstoppable.
Problem I would here now. Yes, my brother. No problem I would have that is the problem. And even though my recharge a card like this to connect to the internet, I won't listen to the news.
Okay. Ngwanugo autago mebe nsogbu nke gisi. Tupu maga n'ihu ikwuchapụ dị okwu. Nke mbụ bụ na mahụ ihe na-eme radio station anyị nọgasị ebe ahụ eti ya echi akụkọ aba arụrụ rụcha ihe niile arụrụ ekwere anyị nkwa na aba agaghị emebizi ahụ emebi nke ikpete maazị ọ pụtara. adịkwa m surprise ịnụ na ọ naghị ikwu ahụ okwu from you, but I'm sure ekere ọrụ ekene ege ntị, maybe you come and clarify. A na-agba mbọ ịhụ that na radio station nọcha everywhere onye ọbụla na-ege ntị. Somehow dịka na Anambra agaghị m blame most people na-anụhụ because ndị m kpọrọ ka mana ha taa ntị taa Maazị Udemba na-ekwu na ata n'ọka ebe ya nwa nọ na ha na-ada anụ ihe ha ma nwedo redio anaghị ekwu ebe ahụ, and nke ahụ kwana you don't need to blame them. Ka ekwuchakwara na the thing nke Chike Edoziem zisiri ozi ndị politishan bịabịa were ọsị na nnu tinyezie ya bụ ọya atọ ụtọ ka ha wee nwee ike nweta ife ha na-achọ. Ịkọwatara gị ọfụma na ajụjụ njụga gị ihe o kwuru bụ that na onye na-edu njem anyị nọ n'ime ya bụ onye n'ebe ozi ya na-ezi na o si na ebe onye isi na-edu njem a ọwụhụ ya nwakwuru ya n'onwe ya ka a ghara ịbịa na-asị emekwa ọtọ meghọta ikweteburu ịkọnkọrọ wit ilu our brother Chinemerem tụrụ n'osisi nọchiri ụzọ na-ebe ịkpa mma, mana onwezi ka isi kọọ akwa akụkọ gị kọpa ha ya nwa ga-eburu ịkpa mma ma not too much agaghị egbutu ya egbutu onye pụta ọsọsọ ịkpa mma ka a na-egbunye ya nwa bụ Maazị Edoziem n'ahụ ngasị ya dịbe n'ọhịa ya nwa tụkwutere ịghọtago. Mana enweziri ndị nọ n'akụkụ, enwe ndị highway nọ n'akụkụ, ndị aji traktọ, ndị aji katapila ka ha bụpụzie dị osisi abụpụ zọ ihe anyị ji na-ekwu, and ka ha na-emekwana ya onwe ndị na-aghọta ahụ ihe a na-eme ha na-akọrido ndị ahụ anya, and achọkwana m ka akụmasị n'ụdị ndị ahụ ihe mee na ị ga-ejisi ike na-ege ntị kwuma ka Chukwu ka bịa ma mee ebere redio ga-anọgodo ka ego ịtụnanya bata gị aka ka ị wee nwee ike gụrụ data na-etinye na-ege ntị jizikwa aka gị bikọs iwe onye mgbasa ozi n'olu gị ka i wee nwekwa ike na-agbasa ozi na-agwakwa ndị be anyị ife na-eme. Nke ikpete maazị na-ekwu na ya bụ onye na-ege ntị ga-ege ntị na redio Biafra ọnwụ ha ebe ọzọ, ọnwụ ihe niile na-agbasa ozi directorate si gbasaa nke a na-agbasa kịta na ozi directorate sikwa n'aka onye ndu onwe ndị na-agbasa nke ha na-agbasa ya na ọ bụ ife ha ji achọ onye ego ha na-agbasa ya ha ji achọ onye ego ebe a ka ha si eri ihe and ha ga-ekwu okwu dabara adaba ha ga-ekwu okwu na-atọ ụtọ na ntị ụmụ ashịrị a na-atọ ụtọ na ntị ha ga-ekwu ya n'ụdị ahụ ndị ahụ na-abịa ege ya agaghị ege ya kuma ha agaghị atịrị ha nwa ose na nne ha na-agbachapụrụ ha ma ka okwu ahụ na-aga n'ihu ihe anyị chọrọ ka ndị be anyị na-aghọta mana na redio Biafra nweghị onye na-enweta anything onye ọbụla na-ekwu uche ya arụ oji obi ya niile na-arụ ọrụ ọ na-arụ ọya o ji dị mkpa igetegodo ebe ọzọ bịa tụkwa ya na nke igete na redio Biafra tupu gị ewere ya mewe ihe onye ọbụla ga-apụta na-akọ ihe ọ chọrọ ịkọ ka ọ nwee ike tụọ ụtọ ọta nnọkịta na ọ bụrụ na m na-akọ ya ebe a na aka m wee nweta ihe m ga-eri nọọ ebe a ka m si enwe ihe m ga-eri direct agaghị m na-akọ ya ọta ihe m ga na-akọ ya m gasị na Chike Doziem na Obianọ nyere ya 40 billion Buhari nyere ya 30 trillion Chinasa Nworu anarago 80 billion ihe anyị m ga na-akọ ebe a ụdị akụkọ ha ga-alaike ya ha na-akụrụ m aka awere m super chat ma na-eri ịghọtago so ụmụ ya ndị a ka anyị ga-aghọta mana onye na-ekwu eziokwu a na-atọcha ụtọ sometime so jisi ike my dear brother, I'm happy to hear from you today. Gụnwa bụ Maazị Unstoppable. Not tego. Thank you very much. Let me take this call. Caller on the line, can you hear me? Caller, can you hear me?
I can hear you, Maazị.
Get him, my dear brother.
Udo. Maazị.
Na-ekwu Mike nọ na begging.
No, okay. For my own understanding and definition of what DOS did last 2 days, I don't see any blame on DOS. There's not like blame. But do you know why? My own definition of wisdom, when you say that this man has a wisdom, is not ordinary words. Just wisdom is not ordinary words. You understand? But my own definition of wisdom is knowing the long term of consequences of your actions. Do you understand me, Mazi? A wisdom man, anybody that have that thing called wisdom, you must think, reason, weigh before you take any action. You understand? Because the actions you take today, maybe in the next 50 years, you will stay on it. So what they did is, in fact, to the cancellation of that sit at home, in fact, is 10 over 10. You understand? Because what is the plan? The same thing happened during 2019 election. These people, they have already planned on what to do. Then when we come and cancel the sit at home, they now cancel the election and go and digitalize. That's the same thing that happened on this one now. You will see now, this one now, in fact, they don't even know where to start. You understand? Because they have planned to target all this. They have planned.
Genti, ihe na-ekwu kịta na ọ bụ ụmụ nghọta ka nsọ ya n'asụsụ be anyị ọ bụ ụmụ nghọta anyị na-achọ ka ndị be anyị na-aghọta na-aghọtago onwere onye ihe niile a na-atụ ya inwe ihe eji eme onweghị onye ọ na-adabara ha nwa na onwe ha ama mana ọ gaghị bịa sị agaghị eme ya oge ruwezie anyị gbasaa ihe anyị na-eme ka ndị be anyị ghọta ije gị ghọta ya gbasala so that ndị mba ụwa kwen agaghị akpọ anyị aha ndị a na-achọ ka akpọ anyị ka anyị ghọta ndị ka anyị wuru ire na-aga eze ọnụ ekwuru m okwu ọtụtụ oge na broadcast m megasịrị abalị ole ma ole then ha nwa na onwe hazi na ị ga-ahụzi kịta na a na-agbagharị na a sị na Soludo na-arụ Obianọ aka ọ na-asabotaji ya ịghọtago ọ na-akwụnyere ndị APC enwezi onye na-akpa anyị afa kịtazi ịghọtago enwezi onye na-akpa ya afa mana ifefe a na-eme na anaghịzi aga pipụl apụtara ụdịrị ụtọ teazi wee mee ndị fa chọrọ igbufe egburo ihe awụ dịka anyị masịrị dị ọrụ ana m abịa enwere nchọ ka nkọwata n'olu Igbo ọ ka a na-ekwu ofu ka a na-ekwu ibe ya olu Igbo ka nji akọwata ife a bụ ihe niile anyị shishikọ bịa gbasaa ya ife ihe a ji ego taa enwe mgbe anyị na-echere fe echiche ọma onwe mgbe anyị na-achọ ka ọ gazie rufa onwe mgbe anyị na-achọ ka anything mana anyị akwụchabeghị otu okwu ịbụọ anyị agakwa na-apụta kwụsị ike si ọnwụ sọ ọ ga-abụrịrị ọta ụmụ ihe ndị a ihe anyị chọrọ onwe okwu maazị Udemba kwuru ebe a ụmụ ihe ndị a ka anyị chọrọ ka ndị be anyị ji si ha na-aghọta the only place m ga-ewere blame n'ọnwa anyị bụ ndị na-edegasịrị m ife na ndị na-ekwu okwu si redio anaghị ekwu ebe dị ọta because nke m ga-asị under normal circumstances redio niile nọ na Anambra steeti kwesịrị ịdị na-ekwuchi okwu o kwesịrị afancha kwesịrị ịdị na-ekwu okwu ebute blame on that mụa ga-eme ya accept si ndị isi anyị ha mee ya accept because o kwesịrị ka fanụ ihe a mana apart from that otu esi wee mee ife a mụ na gị kwesịrị ịghọta ya ozugbo so that onye na-arụzi aka na-ekwu anything na ọ chọrọ ikwu gị maazị onye esoro anyị kwa mgbe eri esoro anyị
maka na maazị mụnwa ghọtara maka na ndị niile epụta n'ụlọ nga
asụsụ oyibo ị na-asụ ọ bụrụ Igbo ka anyị ji eme njọsụ kwuo okwu a n'Igbo.
Fine. I understand very well because you see those people that they brought out from prisons. They are our brothers and sisters. You understand?
Are you sure all of them are from prison? Are they not Al-Shabaab?
Yeah,
and
some are prisoners, which their plan is to kill them and tag them that it's IPOB that killed all of them, and kill some policemen and military men and tag them that it's IPOB that killed them. This is the plan. For them, from there, you know when the president of the zoo called what's the name of this president of the zoo? I forget his name. The main president, not the impostor. The main president of the zoo. He came out and said that he will make sure that they tag that the world recognize IPOB as a terrorist group. You understand? This is their plan, and all of their plans have failed. So now we win to IPOB, 10/10 to IPOB. Mazi, go on. Thank you.
Thank you very much, my dear brother, and keep on. Caller on the other line, can you hear me?
Yes. Good morning, Mazi. Good morning. How are you?
Welcome. Why on my cake email?
Adamoma, I am over Wada Marian Hader, and I'm up from United States. Okay. I asked him, come you kill first of all, kill Lunine, but come to or Tinyaka na I minute. Yendo line got a Ina name, Aromia as no chase, the game of the masters. So it's not about emotions. To start with, this build up amen. Name argue why an just see again it's a kind of a build up. If they can pay attention on Hage Edwanya Lanya Haga Hoda here governs Renanka DOS be a pussy na Onya Patakwaleji Onya Apatakwaleji. They have to separate the grammar. DOS never said do not vote. When that announcement was said, it was said we are going to sit at home in protest for Mazi's detention. That was the argument. Even 3 days before the cancellation or the suspension, Mazi Edozie came out and repeated the same thing. We are not involved in the election. We have no interest. The purpose of our sitting at home is in protest for them keeping Mazi behind closed doors without any trial. So we are agitating, we are protesting because we can't come out and protest, they will kill us. So we are sitting home and telling them to release them before the election day. Now, what they were doing is to bring them to table. I don't know what is going behind the I don't know why they suspended it, but I'm looking at it from that critical point of view. That thing they did was what made Nigerian government to do all the brahaha they did, which has now thrown this movement into the global stage. People have to understand what is going on. We are not there yet. And you don't want to tag us international terrorist organization, which is what Nigeria is looking for. So this is a strategy. This thing has brought the agitation to the international attention. Those who even were not interested, they have paid attention. So now you have achieved your aim there. But then you were careful enough not to fall into the trap of Nigerian government, which was creating chaos and tag it under the name of Biafra. That is what their ultimate aim. So people who are very emotional will not understand what is going on. But this is my own deduction. This thing is not for the faint-hearted. It's not for everybody. And I'm saying this to kind of say kudos to you guys, especially to Mazi Edozie, to keep deaf ears. And I'm sure you guys are doing it most of the time. You don't have to listen to everything. You don't have to pay attention to anything, because you have to keep your eyes on the ball. Because at the end of the fullness of time is achieving your goal. That is what is important. These people that are agitating that this sit at home was suspended, are they not the same people that went out and voted, even though nobody asked them to vote or not to vote? They already made up their mind to do what they want to do. They're just looking for somebody. They will say, oh, he or she told us to do this. So that's all I'm trying to bring in, that there are people who like me, who understand or have an idea or inclination of what is going on. So do not be discouraged. Do not think everybody is into this foolishness they're doing on social media. Have a nice day. God bless you.
Thank you very much, Mwada. You have spoken like Mwada. God bless you. Thank you so much. Okuge Barok.
Bless you, man.
Thank you. Call on the other line. Yes, can you hear me?
What can you speak to me?
Exactly. Must be our national.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Biafrans and friends of Biafrans around the globe. This is Maziraf Udodilendicom. I came from Umuaka, Olo province, Biafra land. But I live and serve the indigenous of the people of Biafra here in Russia as the national coordinator. Great Biafrans and the IPOB global family. I greeting from Moscow. Indeed, this past week and this present week have been a very difficult week to us, especially on this struggle, with many feelings in the family. Indeed, what we have been discussing all this while, all the people that participated in voting and other things, other activities at home, nobody's condemning you. Nobody's killing anyone that is trying to crucify anybody because of the urgency of how the whole thing come. And also those that get angry and also say a lot of things on their own decision, then that is your right. But what we will not tolerate is after showing your anger, after showing your displeasure, and then you come to social media to bring down or to insult the institution that Onyendu Mazindankano himself established, that is the office of DOS. We will not tolerate it, no matter who the person might be. You have right in your local platform to show your anger and your displeasure. There's no problem on that. That is what family affair. But coming to social media to insult the head of the directorate, Master Kedoziem, or any of the members of DOS, we cannot tolerate it, because one of the principles of IPOB is obey before complain. If Agwalon man, then do what you are asked to do. Then after the whole thing, then you can bring your complaint. You can be able to say your mind. But coming to listen, that is to social media, there or DOS, we saw one thing, then you will be on the other your own platform talking rubbish, trying to prove that you are speaking the truth. Because everybody now in social media, everybody now is saying that he's speaking the truth. All the people that have private platforms, everybody is talking that I'm speaking the truth. I'm speaking the truth. I'm speaking the truth. So I was the only So if only the question out there on platform, keep it to yourself. Keep that is doing your program neutral. But coming to the platform to make it to be a place that you will come there to insult, that is the leadership of this movement. We cannot take it light with you, no matter who you are, because our leader is only one leading body that have established. There is not two, it's not three. That you have your private platform on social media, maybe you are supporting what we are doing, and then when you maybe mention your name on Radio Biafra and say that we will be following you, it doesn't give you a certificate to now try to have a parallel this government that you will be talking to their own, and then you'll be countering it. That is insubordination, and that is disobedience, and everybody knows the consequences of disobedience. No matter your reason, you cannot tell me that you are more holier, or you love Nnamdi Kanu more than Chike Doziem, or you love Nnamdi Kanu more than Osna Banya or Chida Sangoru. So please let all of us control our temper in every given situation, knowing fully well that what has taken us this far, obedient to the command or to the leadership of this great movement, Nnamdi Kanu. So if you feel that you love me and you want to out, please. You can show your anger, that is, but do not make it to go extra mile in order not to cause division and also distraction in this great work we are doing. I pray that the Lord will bless our leader and also bless all IPB family, those working assiduously in their locality, making sure that all the command discharge by the leadership of this movement is being carried on. I pray that the Lord will bless all of us and give us more grace to continue this last push, because I believe that very soon our leader will come out, and also all of us also will rejoice Biafra land, and also our nation, great nation Biafra, is sure to come. Nobody can be able to stop it, because the time is now. And if this generation will fail to make it happen, then we have ourselves to blame, and then it means that we'll be slave forever, the hand of Fulani and British. So, that you can bless all of us and also give us more grace to continue. I'm signing off for here. Russian Federation. Thank you, Mazi, for having me.
Thank you very much. That's our national from Russia. Thank you very much, Mazi, and keep on the good work. Caller on signal. Can you hear me?
Oh, hell, Biafra.
Oh, hell, Biafra.
Oh, hell, Biafra. My name is Mazi Otisi. I came from Abreva East in Omahia province of Biafra land. And Abreva is a riverland area of Biafra and also a hinterland area of Biafra. And now I'm calling from my location. God bless you and good morning. Biafrans, I greet you all because the step or the struggle that we are in, some people do not understand it because it's a spiritual battle and it's a spiritual struggle. Only those who are in the spirit can understand the things of the spirit. The other have given because based on the strategy moving in the spiritual world, that's why the order was given. And people who were having their spiritual eyes that can able to understand when there is a hold up or a stop or a moving command, then they can understand what is going on. Our people that at home, sometimes they will always walk according to the flesh, whom they are, because I will not try to push them to the world because sometimes they are not understanding what the struggle are giving out every day. Because if you are understand or you are old struggle or hardcore of IPOB, you understand that as a soldier, you need a discipline, you need order, and you need a command. And if you do not have all those three things in your mind, that means that you're not a real soldier. And if you look what is going on in our home, our leader is in the dungeon. Many IPOB strugglers are in the dungeon. Not only our leader only. There are many of both women and men, even the journalists and the lawyers. There are some of them are in the prison. How do we going to bring them? That's the strategy. People that are saying, give the command, let us start the fight. No. There are some other rules and the other strategies how to apply in the war. As we are as Biafran, sometimes we need to go back and use the Bible or Torah to check our struggle and get some rules how to handle some certain issues. Because the Bible says, if you have a 1,000 soldier and your enemy have 10,000, how are you going to apply the wisdom to conquer them? You need to sit down and cross-check. If you can use that 10,000 you have to counter about 20 million, that's meant for you. There are some spiritual things that we apply. You never want to lose more casualty in our land. But the people do not understand it. My prayer this morning that we continue to pray until our eyes, the spiritual eyes of our people will be enlightened, that they can understand what is going on. Oh, that's the only thing I can say this morning. All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra. Thank you very much, Mazi Otisi. Thank you. Let's take this call. Must be Mama. Mama, can you hear me?
Yes, loud and clear. Good morning and happy Sunday.
Welcome, Ma. Kekimel. Jehovah Beze.
Thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to you all IPOB members and lovers of Biafra worldwide. I won't fail to say good morning to my supreme leader, to Onyerima, that I call him, to Ohamadike, the lion of the tribe of Biafra, His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I give him thanks for all his sacrifices to the restoration of Biafra. And I thank Chukwu Okike Abiama, who brought him and gave him the grace to go through what he is going through. You see, I want to make contributions to what you are discussing this morning. Many people want to believe what they want to believe, no matter how much we explain it. Some people have wrong motives of joining IPOB, while some people are mixed multitudes, according to Exodus 12:38. There were mixed multitudes when they were living in Egypt. So is it today. So our people, those who are actually members of IPOB, those who want to go along with our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we listen to instructions. But I want to tell others, there was a case when Absalom wanted to overthrow his father. He gathered some people. Among them were 200 men, and the Bible recorded that those 200 men didn't know what was happening. They just joined. It's unfortunate that some people the genuine may listen to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because our HOD made it clear. Mazi Chike Doziem, he made it clear, mercy from the highest command. And who is the highest command? Our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And the 9 appear through his lawyer. Olukozi ihocho keme. Manandi anemi ha. Welu agenda ozo. other than nke Maazị Nnamdi Kanu nwere na confuse ndị kwere ka confuse ha maka na ikwu ihe gbasara ha dị ha mma ha ekweta na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu zili ya mana ikwu nke ha na-achọghọ ha si na ha nwa na-ayị ala na prison ma ọ na-afọ ọsụrụ ha tinye ha egbe n'isi ka o wee kwuo ya so ndị na-aghọtara ihe a na-ekwu a na-ebelieve ndị a na-akọ ihe a mụ onwe m nọ na Biafran land somebody jalụ here wee kwuo na nke nwa ji eme nke nwa nke nwa ji eme nke nwa ndị nọ na Biafran land ise lie ndị nọ na Biafran land na-anụ ihe a na-ekwu even though na radio a nara ekwu in many places mana ha na-anị ha a na-enwe information phone dị ndị nke gụta na social media agụta pass ya to them so ndị anụ si na radio anaghị ekwu kedụzi ebe ha si wee nweta information from opposition from ndị na-ekwozu DOS ọrụ na phone ka akpọ ha gwa ha wee sonye I believe na wrong thing kedu ka IPOB si wee nwee a structure leadership DOS who is standing in for our leader then the head of that DOS abia kwuosi no from the highest command mmadụ anọkwalụ na-akọrọ bish na-atụgharị anya otu ọzọ well our leader kwubuli ekwu many years ago ọbụladị ọfụ ka o kwuru ya no 100 men and akwụsịrị ike na ya maka na ikuku ga-ebutu many people ndị nwe wrong motive of this struggle ndị chana ebe a ka a ga-esi make money ndị chana ebe a ka a ga-esi zọta position and the other things nọ n'ime ha mana I have one thing na-agwa ha ekwugo m ya mbụ na-ekwukwu ya Dathan, Korah and Abira withstood Moses with 250 elders and the ground opened and swallowed them up. Onye kwena ka ọ dị otu a because na Chukwu okike abịa ma wee judge. Onye mandate bụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Onye ka onye mandate of Biafra. Any other person be free ikwu ihe masịrị ya. Any other person be free believe ihe masịrị ya. Mana at the end anyị amala okwu nke onye ga-abịa na mmezu. Because ebe ọ gbaju dọlụ na Numbers chapter 11. God wee sị Moses na a ga-ama my word and your own which will come to pass. Even God himself na-abụ o tekicha decision at times o chegharịa na decision ahụ. Ọ bụrụ one place, ọ bụrụ two. Even in the process of leading the children of Israel out of Egypt, o chọbụ ka ha si ụzọ dị shorter. On second thought, or Simba, no one has used our shorter, they will meet war. Now what John Yaquir, don't want to cook it, and they will turn back. Really, therefore, through the Red Sea. So, Chukwoki Kabiama, Nela leader mandate. Then your instruction. Don't say why I'm follow. My sheep will hear my voice. My sheep will hear my voice. But the voice of the stranger he will not hear. I will leave it here. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. May Chukwu Okike continue to strengthen us and open our eyes of understanding. And I ask him, Chukwu Okike, to restore peace within us. In his name, Chukwu Okike Abiama, Jikenene. Ise. Thank you and remain blessed.
Thank you very much, Mama. Thank you very much. And on that note, I bring the program to an end. Thank you very much for being part of our program, and continue to tune into Radio Biafra at all time, and then you will get the best. I wanted to end it, but this brother have been calling. Brother, can you hear me?
Good morning, sir.
Just straight to the point. I'm about to close.
Good morning, sir. I'm thanking you for what you are doing for us.
Ndewo.
Almighty God, we bless you.
Yes, sir.
Bless our leader Nnamdi Kanu.
Yes, sir.
This is my first time of calling.
Exactly.
I've
That's
been
why
trying. I hear what you are saying, but my advice to all of us: not everybody can understand the language when it comes like this. So let's stop quarreling to each other. Let's have focus. All of us, we are praying. We are in the bright land here. See what is happening. And we are thanking God for His intimate mercy, His hand upon the Biafran people. Because like somebody that said something, quoted John 10:10. These people came to destroy, to rob, and to do every evil thing. But Almighty God, they come in every aspect of evil desire. On a twinkle of eye, God showed them that He is our God. Because many people run away, sit at home and they can't sit at home. But in everything, you have to give God thanks. So what I'm saying, let's all of us be working together as before. I pray nothing will happen to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He is well protected. As far as God sent him to this place, very soon will be with us. That's what I'm saying. What I'm breaking again is this radio. The zoo soldier and the securities, they have put fear in many of us. Many are not listening to the radio, but they need to. I would like this radio to go everywhere in Biafra land, because all these things we are saying, our mothers, our aged men and women, they are more serious than all of us. I'm telling you the story. Anything they hear say, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu or Radio Biafra said, is what they will do, without thinking what will come out of it. Okay, now the sit at home have been cancelled by the authority. But now, come to like Onitsha here, or Enugu or Nnewi or anywhere in urban area, can never see ants going about. Because they have, what we want is to, what they want, how Nnamdi Kanu will come out of that dungeon. That's the only language our aged people want to hear. So, my greetings go to all of you.
Thank you very much, brother.
All of you. Bless all France, wherever we are, abroad, home. Let God pray.
Ndewo network again akọta aghọtachago m ihe na-ekwu, ndị ọzọ aghọtagokwe. Ndewo. Thank you. Just as I said, we will bring this program to an end. I won't be able to take other calls. I just take his call because I see him as a first caller, and we bring it to an end. Continue to tune to Radio Biafra. Continue to follow what Radio Biafra is telling you. This radio is not mine, it is ours. It is Radio Biafra. under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, whom we know that God has sent him for this time, for our own redemption, for the restoration of Biafra land. Why won't you listen to what his lieutenants are telling you? Why would you like to hear your own? Even sometimes you don't understand it, but it's still coming from that place you said you trust. Why won't you pay attention? Why won't you still follow it? Why won't you still follow it? I personally, when I had the Sit at Home suspended, I saw its people were debating it on a forum. What I wrote there, if I will go there, you will laugh at me. But when I come to our broadcasting decks, I now saw the message there. I understand what is going on, and I have to, first of all, accept it, because I know it's coming from the direct order. I have no option. Whether it's good for me or it's not good for me, I have to follow it. These are the way we need to grow, move, and the things will work for us. Not what I want. If it is what I want, it will not be in this way. I will be saying my own. You will be saying your own. But there is something that somebody who is ahead of us have seen and try to put it in order for us. These are the things we need to understand mostly at this time. If it is not wisdom of God, maybe the way this election is being planned, they will destroy us, kill us, tag us terrorists, bomb Anambra State, kill people, and finally take everything and hand over to APC. This is their plan. But look at how things just, everybody is free, not even an ant is dead, and we are free also. The only thing is just that maybe your emotion is somehow, some people say they have bought food. Good and fine, you buy food, you keep it. Do you know how everybody lose? I send money home, money I'm not expecting to give as at that time. I gave that money, say buy food, buy stock more, keep, in case we don't know what will turn out. If I know it will be in this way, I will keep my money. I will give the amount I supposed to give them normal and reserve the remaining. But I gave beyond. So if you lose this place, another person is losing. Don't think maybe they are there. I know amount I give out. So it's part of it, brothers and sisters. And this is how it will be until the day we will open up our eyes. You just wake up and see yourself. We are waking up in Biafra land, under Biafra government. That is the time you know that everything is over. But now it's not yet over. Such will be happening, and you know that the court case is on Wednesday. Definitely there may be Sit at Home also. I don't know, but I'm just saying maybe the head of the directorate will come, and you and I have to abide to it. We have to follow it anyhow it's been turned out. That is what we must do. Because we are looking for Biafra. Our leader said it, that the movement is not democratic. It is a quasi-military system. It's a quasi-military system. Listen to that, his broadcast. It's not democracy. People purposely, that is what people want to bring in. No, sir. This is how, hence everybody, hence we trust our leader. Anyhow he brings it out, that is where we will go. Short and simple. And you will see we will enter Biafra. So brothers, sisters, calm down, pipe down, and do the needful thing. Thank you very much, and may the Most High bless us all. We will continue, and we will get there. Father, we thank you, we bless you. We thank you for the life of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Father, we thank you for ESN. Lord, we thank you for the DOS. We thank you for IPOB. We thank you for Biafra land. We say, hallowed be thy name. Be thou exalted, Father, in the mighty name of Yeshua we pray. And I leave you with this word. The Bible said, forget not the former things and do not dwell on the past. See, I am doing a new thing now. It springs up. Do you not perceive it? I am making a new way in the desert and the spring in the wasteland. Isaiah 43 verse 18 and 19. Shalom, my dear.